This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account tied to the business profile. This ensures changes saved to the right listing. Once signed in, open Google Maps or the Business Profile Manager and search your business name so you're viewing the live listing. Make sure you have owner or manager access. If not, request access now. After access is confirmed, locate the Photos tab on the profile. This is where you'll add or change images. Now you're ready for the next steps. Once you're in the Photos tab, click Add Photos or the camera icon to begin uploading. You can drag and drop or select files from your device. Choose high-quality images. Google prefers sharp, well-lit JPG or PNG files with at least 720 by 720 pixels, because better photos improve trust and click-through. After uploading, assign the correct category like exterior, interior, team, or identity so the image appears. To finalize, open the photo you want as your primary image, choose More and select Set as Profile or Set as Cover so it shows prominently on the listing. Once done, refresh the listing. Changes often appear within minutes but allow up to 24 hours. If the photo doesn't update, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or re-upload using a different file name. Sometimes Google caches older versions. If problems persist, check account permissions and try from another device or the Business Profile app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.